Be ready. 5 seconds. Start. Constitution of India 1950 Article 136 Indian Penal Code 1860 Section 302 149 Section 325 129 and 304 Part 1 Stop Conviction and Sentence Sustainability of Modification Stop Injured witness gave only general and omnibus statement about assault upon himself and deceased accused A1 was having gun and other accused armed with lathis. Only one injury sustained by deceased on left thigh caused by accused A1. Injured witnesses suffered injuries caused by blunt object. Injured witness not pointed out as to which accused caused injury to him. Stop. Stated of participation of all accused with different weapons caused injuries to deceased. Stop. Act of accused A1 fully corroborated by medical evidence as well as dying declaration of deceased. Stop. Injury caused to deceased by accused A1 on right thigh. Stop. Injury caused not with intention to commit murder. Stop. If accused A1 had intention to commit murder, he would have caused injury about waist of deceased. Stop. No infirmity. In judgment of High Court converting conviction to 1 under Section 304 Part 1 IPC. Stop. This appeal by special leave is referred against the judgment dated 6th December 2006 passed by the High Court of Madhya Pradesh at Indore in criminal appeal number 1370 of 2001 arising out of the sessions trial number 197 of 2000 passed by the additional sessions judge Madhya Pradesh dated 4 December 2001 wherein the High Court has set aside the judgment and order of conviction of the respondent under Section 302 and 325 Indian Penal Code against all the respondents except respondent number 1. Stop. The respondent number 1 has been held guilty under Section 304 IPC and sentenced to undergo 10 years rigorous imprisonment and fine of rupees 25,000 and in default to undergo 3 years further rigorous imprisonment. Briefly stated, the possession case is that Dinesh PW1 and his brother Rajesh, deceased, were in their field situated in the forest for the purpose of watching the crops. Stop. At that juncture, the accused persons reached over there having lathis and swords in their possession except accused number 1 who was having 12-bore gun and started assaulting Rajesh with their respective weapons. Accused number 1 caused gunshot injury on the left thigh of the deceased by 12-bore gun, because of which he fell down on the ground. Stop. Dinesh raised cry. Stop. However, no one came to their rescue. Stop. Somehow he managed to run away from the scene of occurrence and disclosed about the incident to family members. They all brought the deceased Rajesh on a coat from the field and thereafter took him in a mini truck stop. The deceased Rajesh became unconscious. Stop. The accused persons were also causing damage to the standing crops of PW1 by grazing their cattle, and the incident occurred because of the objection being raised by PW1 in the morning of the same day.